All right, guys, day 3 working on the Avalanche. So if you saw the other videos, the intro video, the work we were doing yesterday, so got this driver's seat still out, got it recovered. I'm doing some shampoo stuff. Now you got to go check out that video though with the dog hair. It's so embedded in here, and I've already vacuumed it. The only place I haven't got is the passenger seat. You can see right there we got some cracking on my armrest, so we're gonna do that while the seat is out, and then we're gonna go over and pull the passenger seat out. You can see right here how gross the seat is. Probably can't see the headliner necessarily, but that's gross. But I'm going to go through on separate videos on how we're doing all this, just kind of putting out a chronological day by day of how the Avalanche is going. I am pretty pleased how the seat came out, although that job, woo-wee, that was a pain. Finger busting, on your knees a ton, trying to get the thing, taking the whole seat apart, but take a look. So obviously it came folded up, so those creases need to get some heat. It's been cold here, so, but for $200, you could definitely fix up the interior of one of these older GM trucks. And again, the Avalanche is basically a Silverado, Tahoe, Yukon, Sierra, everything like that. So a lot of cool stuff to experience. I've done seats before. The way this seat was very interesting. But so far, so good. I'm definitely having a lot of fun. It's a lot of dog hair and a lot of grime and grease and dirt. And but we're just going to keep cranking on it and keep checking back in every day or two. And I'm going to try and get a lot more stuff done today on it and get it back to its glory. Guys, we're going to catch you on the next one.